Hello, this is Bushra from Bushras Lifestyle and hope you guys are okay. Today's video is about our new microwave. This video is not sponsored, but I still wanted to unbox it and wanted to show you as my previous video about the couch and another unboxing. You guys really like it. This one is, after the research, we bought our new microwave, Panasonic NN-SD975S with the inverter technology. Okay, so what is inverter technology? The regular microwave uses high and low frequency and they go back and forth. But this one, inverter, means that this microwave uses the frequency high and low on the same time. And what it does, it helps to cook the food evenly. So that was really good point for us, and I spent $270 on it. So I really wanted to research before I go ahead and buy something else. We have never used the Panasonic microwave before, but Panasonic, we go for the company. It's really cool brand, and even my brothers in Pakistan use that because it lasts long. Anything you buy. Previous one was Hamilton Beach. I'm not saying that was a bad. It was a small a microwave, but we were like, our usage is much more than having a little and small microwave. Okay, so are you guys ready to watch it? So if you are first time here on Bushras Lifestyle, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what kinds of video you like. And the other thing, thank you so much. I was not on for a month, and thanks for asking me on a Facebook group that what's going on. Our family was going through a lot. One of my young cousin passed away, so it was a lot of grief to deal with. So here, are you guys ready? Let me show you guys. Okay, so looks like packing looks good. Oh wow, it is big. That's a nice big plate and a beautiful plate as opposed to our older one. Beautiful. Again, guys, the video is not sponsored, but I will put my link in the description below if you would like to buy it. It looks like inside really big plates. Before we had a smaller one, so that is plus for me because we really cook a lot of food in microwave. Then I'll go over a few of the buttons. So here we go for popcorn, which pretty much all microwave has it. Coffee, milk, and that's the inverter turbo defrost. And I love the technology. A lot of people say oh, dialing is bad, but you know what, honestly, pushing those buttons are harder. That the other thing is this less more button. So if you cannot read English, and that's for my Hispanic friends, you can take it, press it to change it to French, and then press it to change it to Hispanic. So especially a friend of mine, I'm gonna send her. It's a really cool feature. Then there is the big feature for me as a mother, for moms. If you press start and hold it, it's gonna press the child lock for you, and to cancel it you just do stop reset. So child lock is the best feature for those parents who have like kids. They wanted to get into everything, and like mine, over smart children. So the look of it is really beautiful, matches with our rest of the appliances, with our kitchen. Someday I'll give you guys a tour of the kitchen, but I can show you appliances, our double oven, and here's our fridge. It's totally matched. Before we had the black one, but because we didn't get the microwave when we bought the house, so that's kind of cool that it goes with everything now. Okay, so the cool thing, which was the selling point for us, was the sensor technology. I'm going to show you. It's amazing to work with, and then I will explain how does it work, and what the nitty-gritty of everything with this microwave I will include in my blog post as well. So here we go. Sensor technology is you press the sensor right here, and what it does, the very first, if you go to, this is the dial. So on first it will show you reheat, and then you kind of go, let's say 2 is oatmeal. So we tried yesterday potatoes. Here we go. Because I'm editing this video, that's why I said yesterday. So 10, so you see potatoes. So what it does, it gets you like, it knows the moisture, and at the correct timing, your food would cook perfectly, neither like raw or overcooked. So potatoes we tried was really good because I love Wendy's potatoes. And I think that's it, and I'll show you. It's a beautiful. I will include my affiliate link in the bottom if you would like to purchase it. And guys, please show me some love and press the like button, bell button if you're new here. Subscribe it, and I will constantly try to post weekly videos. I know I was gone for a month, and I told you guys why. Bye bye, and have a good one.